Hello everyone, Tyler from ALLTRACK here. Just going to give you a quick little walk around video of a 2018 ALLTRACK AT-50. This particular machine is set up for a client down in the States. They're going to be using it for wildfire response, prescribed burns and response. This machine is a 7,500 pound capacity carrier. This particular one has been stretched 1 foot to give us a 10-foot long deck for fitting some of those larger fire skids. It's also set up with the Enviro bar, so that's say a urethane coated steel grouser bar. It gives you, the ability to cross roads and drive on shop floors, that kind of thing, without marring the surface. Features solid rubber tires all the way around, rubber torsion suspension, urethane drive sprockets, and nice 2-passenger cab. This one does have the brush guarding package to keep obviously the brush from coming through the window. Really severe service is a good idea. Also, it comes with a 4-way Forestry blade, so this blade is designed to be more of a pusher and utility blade. This one also has the 12,000 pound hydraulic winch built into it as well in the front. Full LED lights, top and bottom. Lighting gives you a really good 360-degree view around the machine. Battery disconnect and remote boosting terminals. The deck does flip up. You can release those hold downs there, and then the deck will flip up. Kind of talk about the inside here now. So they're well equipped. We got suspension seats, both passenger and driver side. You can see there we got a joystick on the left-hand side. That's for running your front blade. So it has up, down, left, right, as well as float. Inside here you can see the standard joysticks. That's the dual joystick drive. Gives you more control if you're in really technical terrain. Most operators tend to prefer that for the really tight terrain. Fully lined cab and insulated. The cab's actually aluminum. Inside here you can kind of see you got your engine display as well as a switch bank for running the top mounted lights, as well as the winch and horn. Has a good heater, directional defrost circuits inside. Got 4 along the top and 2 in the foot position. Hopped up here you can kind of see how we run our switches. We got pilot lights for warning, for hydraulic system, hydraulic temperature high or low hydraulic level. We got on the back of the console, we got a couple DC power outlets for your charging laptops or whatever it is you have to do. On the back of the console here, if you can see as well, they also have a built-in inverter, so you can charge, like I say, anything that's AC. I think up to, I'm not really sure. Anyways, that you charge any laptop or radio or whatever you have to do. Nice side mirrors, give you a great view of the back of the machine as well. As well as on top here, hard to see, but we do have an escape hatch over top of your head, which does open for ventilation in the summer. I'll just show you quick how you service the engine on this machine. This machine has a hydraulic tilting cab. Tilt this up here and I'll show you the access we get to the engine. This cab lifts up, you get full access to the engine underneath. You can do whatever it is you have to do, full service. If you got to do any more extreme service, the cab can actually tilt all the way up to 90 degrees to allow you to get right in there with the radiator. You're ticking away there. That's the lift pump coming from the tank. walk around the other side and show you that. Nice access to the filters, alternator, starter, anything you got to do there, block heater. As well as the valves for the front there, which run the blade as well as the winch. This machine is equipped as well with a 145 horsepower John Deere Tier 3 4-cylinder turbo diesel. And that's coupled to a high torque hydrostatic drive. We use spoke lane motors for the drive motors. Nice thing about those is they are the cases are always circulated to the cooler, so you never get a hot spot in the motors. Also has a high and low speed, so you have a low work speed, which gives you 0 to about 7 or 8 miles per hour, and then also a high speed, which will bring you up over top of 12. So nice when you're getting in and out of those long sites. There's a view there with the cab up.